Today I'm testing a simple digital logic probe. This circuit is powered with 5 volts. It uses an LM358 with 2 op-amps working like comparators. One comparator is used to detect a high signal. The other comparator is used to detect a low signal. The high threshold is adjusted around 2 volts. So, when the probe tip reads about 2 volts or more, the circuit should detect high. The low threshold is adjusted around 0.8 volts. So, when the probe tip reads from 0 volts to 0.8 volts, the circuit should detect low. The probe tip receives the test signal. Then the circuit compares that voltage with the preset thresholds. In this test, I will use a 5-volt power supply. First, I will test the probe tip with 5 volts. Then I will test it with ground. The green LED indicates high. The red LED indicates low. Both LEDs turned on. That means something is wrong. The possible causes are wrong wiring, bad potentiometer calibration, a floating input, swapped LM358 inputs, wrong LED polarity, or missing common ground. Now the circuit is working correctly. Here we can see that when the probe tip receives 5 volts, the green LED turns on. That means the circuit is detecting a high logic level. And when the probe tip is connected to ground or 0 volts, the red LED turns on. That means the circuit is detecting a low logic level.